Hey guys, Ryan from Detail Tech in Lexington here. I'm going to talk to you about what we're doing to this brand new Tesla Model Y. Now, what is going on with these two panels? Why do they look so different? Well, the difference is clear, actually. The difference is set. This is Xpel's satin paint protection film called Stealth. While it is different in appearance, the things that are going to be the same are 10-year warranty and a self-healing film. What we believe to be the best in the market. So a lot of times when you're thinking about getting paint protection film, you're going to think about what's called like a clear bra on maybe the front half of your car. Well, not only can we do the entire vehicle, we can also dramatically change the look of the vehicle while also giving the protection that you would expect from a gloss film. Extended there? Okay. Good. Wonderful. How far off are you over there?
Not very.
Okay. Cool. That's not too bad of a stretch then. Okay. We'll call that pretty good. tight.
Nobody sitting next to me. You impress me. That's a nice thing, somebody else regressing. Talking different people, never didn't me jealous. Well, finally saw my ball between the headlights and the traffic. Finally saw my hoes behind the picture and the style. Finally piece some pieces together for a thesis and didn't want it. And we caught him out. Wiping tears across my body sitting next to me. You impress me. That's a nice thing, somebody else would